It is once again time for the Law and You with the area's premier attorneys, Fellerman and Ciarimboli. Today's question just, it makes me so upset and sad and...
Totally preventable.
And it's just, well, Derek in Pittston, you write in, with summer shipments piling up, my boss ignored safety concerns and a massive shelf of inventory collapsed on me, breaking both of my legs. What should I do now?
Well, so I'm going to give you a little visual. These are cases, they're called sky shelving cases. And so as you're putting in the shelving, there's a process for that. And you have to follow, certain rules and regulations in order to do that. And if you don't, if they're just haphazardly throwing them in, everything collapses down. So these sky shelving cases, we've had a bunch of them. They're very common in warehouses like this. And unfortunately, what happens is they do not do the proper training, and they don't follow these policies and procedures that have been out there and around for many, many, many years. And as a result, people get hurt, and we've had cases where people have gotten crushed to death under the weight of merchandise that has fallen from those shelves.
And if you haven't noticed, there's a lot of warehouses here in northeastern Pennsylvania. That means that's why we're seeing a lot more of these cases. People get hurt in these places, and obviously safety is paramount. It's the most important thing inside those warehouses. And if it's not being followed, obviously people are going to get hurt, and that's when we step in and help and work to get your result that's fair for you, because you have workers' compensation, double, 2 broken legs. You got a long road back.
You make house calls too.
We do.
All the time.
We do. House calls, hospital calls. We go to work sites.
Whatever you need.
Wherever we need.
Remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. If you wanted your question answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.